Welcome to your new 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home in East Boca Raton, a property where location, creativity, and comfort all comes together.
Step into the spacious floor plan with 2 gathering areas. We are standing in the living room, and on the other side is the kitchen and then the family room.
This home was designed with comfort and style, with volume ceilings creating an open and airy feel and wraparound views around the patio and pool.
And take a look at this. Imagine entertaining friends and families with ease in this custom-made bar with this built-in lighting feature.
Your primary bedroom also has views of your pool and patio, so if you have kids like I do, you can watch them from here too.
But you'll probably never leave your bedroom because of this custom fireplace. And off the primary bathroom, you have your own mini hideaway, ready for you to make it your own yoga area, hot tub oasis, or a fire pit lounge.
Let me show you your fully fenced-in yard with a covered patio and this massive heated pool.
With no HOA, a clear roof inspection, and a home with endless possibilities when it comes to customization, this home will not stay on the market for long. So if you want to see it, you can reach out to JD, Jair, or Jen, because they'll love to show it to you.